In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Photoshop's web version to effortlessly remove the background from an image. This is a highly useful skill that can save you tons of time and energy, especially when working with product photos or any digital artwork requiring a clean, isolated subject. To kick things off, you'll first need to open Adobe Photoshop in its web application form. The beauty of using Photoshop on the web is its accessibility. You can dive into your editing tasks from virtually any location with an internet connection, without the need to install hefty software on your computer. It's a real game changer for on-the-go creators or those who might have limited system resources. Once you're in the web environment of Photoshop, the next step is to select the image you want to edit. This can typically be done by navigating through the file options until you locate the upload feature or by dragging and dropping your image directly into the workspace. The image file will load into the Photoshop interface, and you'll see the image displayed on your screen, ready for editing. Now, here comes the exciting part. Adobe has thoughtfully provided an instant tool specifically designed to tackle the sometimes tedious task of background removal. It's not only incredibly fast, but also impressively precise, reducing the time and effort traditionally required for such tasks. As you scroll down towards the bottom of the editing interface, you'll notice an option labeled Remove Background. Engaging this feature is as simple as clicking it. Upon activation, Photoshop's algorithm gets to work. Behind the scenes, it's analyzing the image, identifying the subject, and meticulously erasing the surrounding background. The complex technical process of isolating the subject is streamlined into this single click, making it accessible to everyone, no matter your level of expertise with photo editing. After a few moments, you'll see the transformed image with the background duly removed, leaving your subject clear and distinct against a blank canvas. This is especially useful for creating content that requires a transparent backdrop or for effortlessly blending subjects into new environments or designs. This tool is a fantastic example of how modern software can simplify what was once a multi-step process. However, for more intricate images with fine details or challenging edges, you might want to tweak the results manually using Photoshop's other editing tools. But for most straightforward images, this feature is a lifesaver, allowing you to proceed with your projects with minimal hassle. Hopefully, this tutorial has equipped you with the confidence to efficiently remove backgrounds using Adobe's advanced web features, adding a professional touch to your images with just a click. Thanks for joining me, and happy editing!